Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export CapCut video to YouTube, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as simple as possible. Step 1. First, click on the Export button in the top right-hand corner of CapCut. You can also click Share, but I recommend exporting the video to your computer first. Choose a folder for your video, like your desktop, for easy access, and make sure both video exporting and export audio are checked. This ensures your video and audio are saved properly. Step 2. Now check the resolution settings. If your video was recorded in 1080p, make sure it's set to 1080p, or you can select 4K if your video supports it. If your video isn't 60 FPS, there's no need to change the frame rate. Once you've set everything, click Export to save the video to your desktop. Step 3. If you want to upload your video directly from CapCut, click Select YouTube. This option allows you to sign in to your YouTube account through CapCut. Once you sign in, you can upload your video directly from CapCut without having to download it to your computer. Step 4. If you uploaded the video directly, you'll be prompted to add a title, description, and any other details. You can also adjust the privacy settings, such as whether to make the video public, unlisted, or scheduled for later. Step 5. If you're manually uploading the video to YouTube, head over to YouTube, sign into your account, and click the Upload button at the top right. Select your video file from the desktop and click to upload it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.